Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to guide you through the process of creating a stunning beaded hair hoop using a 1 cm wide Alice band. Please stay tuned for a bonus how to transform the beautiful woven braid into a bracelet or necklace. Let's dive into this DIY adventure. First, thread your needle with a generous length of fishing line, approximately 17 inches, leaving an extra 3 inches for maneuvering. String 4 strands of beads followed by an additional 8 strands, making it a total of 12 strands. This will be the foundation of our mesmerizing braids. There you have 2 strands of 17 inches each tied together. And here are 3 strands of 17 inches each. Tie the fishing line ends together, ensuring the knot is snug against the start of the beads. Now, let the braiding magic begin. Craft 4 strand braids in 3 places along the length. The number of strands needed for this project varies based on factors like bead size, desired braid tightness, and the Alice band length and width. For a dense braid with small beads, you might require more strands. The final outcome truly reflects your creative choices, so feel free to experiment and tailor it to your unique vision. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button below and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an inspiring update from my channel. Now make your braid through the length of strong beads like you would braid your hair, and tie. Make a knot. Cover your 1M Alice band with a slim ribbon of your choice. Secure the ribbon ends to the underside by gluing them in place. Trim any excess ribbon for a clean finish. Apply glue to the Alice band, and you want to carefully place the braided section onto the glue, ensuring a secure bond. This intricate pattern will add a touch of sophistication to your hair hoop. Allow it to dry, and you've beautifully merged elegance with class. Trim the extra 3 inches we left earlier, making sure not to cut before the knot to prevent bead loss. Apply glue to the ribbon ends and neatly wrap them around for a polished finish. You want to apply the glue to the back side of the ribbon, then wrap the ends where the start of the fishing line is for a polished look. Repeat the process for the other end. Now you want to keep wrapping until you have fully covered that end where the fishing line is. Neatly cover some parts of the beads for a good finish. Apply glue to the ends and cover it fully. Then cut your ribbon. Wait, there's more. This woven braid isn't just for your hair. Transform it into a stylish bracelet by securing the ends with a calotte and lobster clasp. You can also fashion it into a trendy braided necklace using the same technique. And there you have it, a chic beaded hair hoop and versatile jewelry piece. I hope you enjoyed this DIY journey. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more crafting adventures, and don't forget to ring that notification bell. Thank you for crafting with me today. Until next time, happy crafting.